So here's how to delete photos permanently on Samsung phone. So for that reason, first of all, let me just open up the gallery, and then from here I want to delete this photo. So I will go and tap on the trash bin icon and again delete that one. So if you think the photos has been deleted successfully, but it is not. So to delete the photo permanently, you need to go back and press on these three dots onto the right side, and then from here you need to tap on the trash icon. Then into here you need to go and simply tap on the empty on the top right side corner. Simply tap on that and tap on empty trash. Now the photos or videos here deleted permanently. So that's how you can simply do so. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.